Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 11C and D, in which we are going to learn addition and subtraction of decimals. So let's start with exercise 11C. In exercise 11C, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 you are going to do in your book only. And how you will do it? See, you are going to add these decimal numbers like जैसे हम normal numbers को add and subtract करते हैं वैसे ही हमें in decimal numbers को add and subtract करना है. So in this one, first one, this 3 plus 3 is 6. Then you are going to put a decimal point. Decimal point के नीचे ही आप decimal point लगाएंगे. Then this 0 plus 0 is 0. So the answer is 0.6. Similarly in this one, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 we are going to write here and 1 will carry forward. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So यहाँ पे 1 ही आएगा and decimal point के नीचे आपको decimal point apply करना है. So the answer is 1.1. In this one, D part, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 here, 1 will be carry forward. Then the decimal point here, we are going to put a decimal point over here. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2.1. Now see in this one, 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then there is a decimal point. So put a decimal point. Then 0 plus 0 is 0. So 0.89 is the answer. In this one, 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 here. 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 here. 1 will be carry forward. अब यहाँ decimal point है, so हम decimal point लगाएंगे. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6.43 is the answer. In this one, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4 here. 1 carry forward. Point के नीचे हम point लगाएंगे. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then this 1. So 15.48 is the answer. In this one, 1 plus 6 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 here. 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 again carry forward. 3 plus 1 is 4. And यहाँ decimal point है, so हम यहाँ decimal point ही लगाएंगे. So 4.027 is the answer. In this part, 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 का 0 हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. 1 will be carry forward. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5 here. 1 carry forward. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 here. 1 carry forward. Decimal point का decimal point. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 here. 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 here. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 621.050 is the answer. Similarly, in this part, here in this one, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 here, 1 will be carry forward. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 here. 1 carry forward. So यहाँ zeros ही है. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. So 1 here. 1 carry forward. Point. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Plus 9, 29. So 9 here. 2 carry forward. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. So 209.110 is the answer. In this part, here 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 here. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 7 here. 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1, 5. Plus 3, 8. Plus 1, 9. plus 6, 15. So 5 here, 1 carry forward. Point as it is. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 4, 8, plus 6, 14, 14 plus 5, 19. So 9 here, 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7, 17, plus 8, 25. So 5 here, 2 carry forward. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 559.570 is the answer. Now question number 5 we are going to solve in the notebook. So A part is given 0.24, 0.7 and 2.008. Now how you are going to write these decimal numbers for addition? So first of all 0.24. So 0.24 we are going to write like this. And then 0.7. So you have to remember कि point के नीचे आपको point ही लगाना है. आप point को कहीं और shift नहीं कर सकते. So 0.7 we will write like this. 0 आगे and 7 in the first place after decimal. यानी 2 के नीचे आएगा ये 4 के नीचे नहीं आएगा. Then 2.008. So point before 2 था. So point के नीचे हम point ही लगाएंगे. Before point there is 2. So ये 2 हम यहाँ लिखेंगे below this 0 and the 008 is written as this. 0 इनके नीचे then second place 0 then third place 8. Here third place is not given so we are going to write 0. Here two places are not given so we are going to put zeros and यहाँ भी हम एक 0 लगा सकते हैं. Now we are going to add these decimal numbers. So this will be 8 only because अब ऊपर zeros ही हैं. यहाँ पे भी नीचे zeros हैं. So this will be 4 only. Here 2 plus 7 is 9. Then decimal point and यहाँ 2 है only. So this will be answer 2.948. This is the answer. In C part it is given 3.695, 12.02, 153 and 23.1. So first of all this number 3.695 then the number is 12.02. So point के नीचे आपको point ही लगाना है. 12 will be written as like this and the 02 we will write like this. Then 153. So this 153 is a whole number only यानी before decimal point ही हमें इसको लिखना है. So we will write like this 153 and after decimal point we are going to write zeros. Then at last 23.1. So 23.1 we are going to write like this. Now अब जहाँ जहाँ empty places है you can put zeros in the empty places so that हमें confusion नहीं होगी कि यहाँ कौन सा number है और क्या add करना है. Now we are going to add these numbers. So starting from last place this will be 5 only. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. After decimal point. So जो decimal point है वहाँ पे हम decimal point ही लगाएंगे. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 here, 1 carry forward. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And here it is only 1. So we will write 1 only. So 191.815 is the answer. Similarly, you can do B part of this one. Now we are going to do exercise 11D in which we have to subtract decimal numbers. So question number 1, 2, 3 you are going to do in your book only. So first we are going to solve these 3 questions in book only. Here 0.6 and 0.2. So subtraction भी हमें वैसे ही करना है जैसे हम normally subtract करते हैं. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Point as it is 0 minus 0 is 0. So 0.4 is the answer. In this one see 4 minus 8 that is not possible. So take borrow from this 3. This will be 2 and this 4 will be 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6. Point as it is. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 2.6 is the answer. In this part 0 minus 4 not possible. Take borrow from this 2, this will be 1, this 0 will be 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6, point as it is, 1 minus 1, 0. So 0.6 is the answer. In this part, 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 6 not possible. Take borrow from the 6. ये 5 हो जाएगा and this will be 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Point as it is, 5 as it is. 5 minus 0 is 5 only. So 5.84 is the answer. Here in this part, see, यहाँ 8 के ऊपर कुछ नहीं है इसलिए हम क्या लगा देंगे 0. So that कि हम जब subtraction कर रहे हैं that will be easy for us. So 0 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow from this 2. This will be 1. This will be 10 now. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 6 not possible. Take borrow from this 1. This will be 0. This will be 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Point as it is. 0 minus 7 not possible. Take borrow from this 4. This will be 3. This will be 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 3.52. This is the answer. In this part, 7 minus 8 not possible. Take borrow from this 5. ये हो जाएगा 4 and this will be 17. And 17 minus 8 is 9. Now 4 minus 0 is 4 only. 1 minus 2 not possible. Take borrow from this 2. This will be 1. This will be 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Point as it is. 1 minus 5 not possible. Take borrow from this 2. This will be 1. This will be 11. And 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 6.949 is the answer. Now in this part, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है इसलिए हम क्या लगा देंगे 0. So 0 minus 5 not possible. हम यहाँ से भी borrow नहीं ले सकते हैं. So we'll take borrow from this 3 only. This will be 2. यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा ये 10. अब यहाँ से हम borrow लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 9 and this will become at last 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 3 not possible. Take borrow from this 1. This will be 0. This will be 12. 12 minus 3 is 8. Point as it is. 0 minus 9 is not possible. Again borrow. 10 minus 9 1. 0 minus 8 not possible. Again borrow. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 21.825. This is the answer. Similarly, you can do the other parts of question number 1, 2 and 3. Now question number 4 you have to do in your notebook. Question number 4 is find the difference between. Difference means हमें subtraction ही करना है. Subtraction का जो answer होता है उसे हम difference कहते हैं. So A part is given 13.5 and 5.9. So 13.5 you are going to write first and then you will subtract this 5.9 from this one. So 5 minus 9 not possible. You can take borrow from here. This will be 2 and this will be 15. And 15 minus 9 is 6. Now 2 minus 5 not possible. So हम यहाँ से जब borrow लेंगे तो ये अपने आप क्या हो जाएगा 12. And 12 minus 5 is 7. और यहाँ 0 हो जाएगा because हम borrow भी लेंगे तो भी 0 आएगा. And यहाँ empty place थी तो भी ये 0 ही है. So 7.6 this will be answer. Now see in the B part 15 and 8.55. So first we are going to write this 15 and we will subtract this 8.55 from this 15. अब ये 15 एक whole number है. So after decimal point we are going to write zeros. Then 8.55 we are going to write like this. Now we will subtract. So 0 minus 5 possible नहीं है. We'll take borrow from this 5. This will be 4. This will be 10 but हम एक और borrow लेंगे so ये 9 हो जाएगा and this will become 10 at last. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Point के नीचे point आएगा. This is 14 now. So borrow लेंगे तब भी ये 14 ही बनेगा. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So 6.45. This is the answer. Similarly, you can do other two parts. Children, you have to omit question number 5 because this is just related to addition and subtraction. That's why you have to omit it. So children, in homework you have to do question number 1, 2, 3, 4 of exercise 11C and question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 11D in book only, and question number 5 ABC of exercise 11C, question number 4 CD parts of exercise 11D in your notebook. So notebook में आपको only ये work करना है of exercise 11C and D, and book में आपको जो ये upper parts थे of exercise 11C and D you will do in your book. Thank you.